Dear student, good morning. Your next topic, properties of determinants. Property first are given. If we multiply every element of a particular row or column to their corresponding cofactors, then it will give us the determinant of the matrix. See the explanation. Let it matrix A is equal to 1A BC, 1B CA, 1C AB. Then determinant of A equal to A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13. It is clear that elements are related to their cofactors. Elements are related to their cofactors. Elements are related to their cofactors. After expansion along, determinant A is equal to minus 1 pi power 1 plus 1, 1 determinant B CA B CAB plus minus 1 pi power 1 plus 2 A determinant 1 CA AB plus minus 1 pi power 1 plus 3 BC determinant 1B 1C. After calculation, we find the value of determinant A is equal to AB square minus C square A minus A square B plus A square C plus BC square minus B square C. Again, if change the determinants, their element and their cofactors, like as determinant A 21 C21 plus A22 C22 plus A23 C23. After expansion, we can also find the value of determinant of A is equal to AB square minus C square A minus AB square A square B plus A square C plus BC square minus B square C. The relation first and second, it is clear that if we multiply every element of a particular row or column to their corresponding cofactor, then it will give us the determinant of matrix. Properties again. If element of a row or column are multiplied with cofactor of any other row or column, then their determinant is equal to 0. See the explanation. Let a matrix A equal to 1A BC, 1B CA, 1C AB. That the determinant is equal to A11 C21. Here the difference between elements and with their cofactors, plus A12 C22, A13 and C23. After expansion, see here, we find determinant A is equal to A square B minus BC square minus A square B plus ABC plus BC square minus ABC. All the terms are cancelled away, so determinant A is equal to 0. The property third, the value of the determinant remains unchanged if its row and columns are interchanged. See here explanation. The determinant A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. The value of determinant A is equal to A11 into A22 minus A12, A21. In interchange their row and column, that is transpose of the matrix A, that is AT. Determinant of AT is equal to A11, A21, A12, A22. The value of determinant of AT is equal to A11, A22 minus A12, A21. It is clear that if the value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows and column are interchanged. That's all. Dear student, property 4. If any two rows or column of a determinant are interchanged, then the sign of determinants will be changed. The explanation are given. A matrix A 147250360. That is, determinant of A is equal to 147250360. After calculation, the value of this determinant equal to minus 21. When we interchange first row and third row, then the other determinant A dash will be 360250147. The value of this determinant equal to 21. Therefore, the interchange between both the value, only sign are changed. So it is clear that if any two row or a column of a determinant are interchanged, the sign will be changed. The property 5, if any two rows or column of determinant are identical means same value, same elements, then the value of determinant is 0. Explanation are given. A determinant A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A11, A12 and A13 are identical elements. For example, the value of this determinant after calculation is equal to 0. It is clear that if any two row or any two column of a determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0.